There's a fish. Yes. Oh, that's like a 4-pounder. Don't fall in, don't fall in. Yeah. Look at that fish right there. That's gotta be a 4-pounder. Whew. Real nice one, he freaking crushed it. Time to pop this frog out. Release this big girl. I'm guessing right around 3.5 pounds. That's a big fish. I'm actually gonna weigh him real quick. I wanna see. Alright, I'm guessing 3.3. Oh my gosh. 3.34. I was very close. I can't believe that fish hit it all the way over there. Got another one. Hopefully you guys can see that. Choked the frog right there. I'm gonna get out my phone just so you can see it a little bit better. That's a good looking bass there. Probably about 1.5 pounds. Nice one. Choked that frog though. Both fish tonight have choked it. It's 8:05, getting close to shutting down here. So let's release this guy and keep going. Gotta be home soon too. Yeah. 2-pounder. Nice one, chunky. I'd say he's about 2 pounds. Yep. Everything's out tonight because of the rain. Nice 2-pounder here. Nice one. You know, I think I'm actually going to switch it up to a popper right now because I've been seeing some fish moving. I mean, it makes sense because I've just had massive rain today. I mean, the dam up there, water had not been going over the whole thing in months. This is the first time it has been, so just shows how much rain we've had in the last day or two or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie on popper or walking bait or something. I'll see what I have. I think I'm going to go with this big boy right here. And I'm pretty sure it's saltwater, but I found it in my dad's tackle box, so I put it in mine. You can see that. But I'm just looking for something pretty big that I can work real slow here at my canal, because I want to get it real up close to that other shore, but at the same time be able to work it really slow. That fish on the last one hit the Senko while it was moving, so I'm pretty sure they're going after, you know, some live stuff jumping around right now. Ew. Shit. Holy crap. Alright, do you guys see that grass down there? Check out this rain. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it is coming down. Probably the hardest rain I've seen all summer right now. That tropical storm's coming in, and I guess this is the beginning of it, because we have not seen anything like this. Alright, so I just rode to my spot on my bike. Well, I'm almost there. I'm a few hundred yards from it. But anyways, right down here. You guys see that good? Ooh. That is the ditch. I'm hopefully gonna catch a fish out of right here real quick on a frog. So yeah, let's see if I can grab one real quick. Got one. Holy crap! Yes! Yeah! Check that out. It is a rush to catch a fish out of there. Nice pounder too. Look how dark he is. That is a beautiful fish right there. Wow, in there too. Incredible. Man. Hopefully I'm gonna do a video on this little creek in the future. So it's been catching fish, really, just from here. So I'm gonna release this guy. 10 out of 10 on the dive. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. That sounded like a good fish, guys. Guys, that sounded like a really good fish. Come on. I wasn't even paying attention there. If only I was paying attention. There he is! Oh yeah! Big fish! Big fish! Big fish! Yeah! Let's go! 5-pounder! Let's go! Look at that fish right there. Dude, that's a 5-pounder. Oh yeah! Oh, 5 or 6-pounder. Let's go! Let's go! Look at that fish! Yeah, on the frog too. Check out that frog down there. This is the guy that missed it. I knew it was a big one. This has got to be 5.5. Yeah. Let's get a weight on this guy. All right. I'm guessing 5.3 on this fish. Oh, 4 point. You guys see that? Hold on, let's reweigh him. 4.79. Right there, 4.79 on this fish. Almost 5-pounder here. He hasn't really been kicking, but I know he's healthy. He's just big and smart, so time to release him. Storms are brewing out there, about to roll in. Time for this guy to go. Alright. Oh yeah. There he goes. Nice one right there. Alright guys, just caught that pretty much 5-pounder. Hopefully we can get a few more fish while we still have a little bit of light left. Just missed one. Just missed one down there. Don't know what that was because he just came up and sort of slurped it. I have a decent fish on our hands up here. Maybe not though. But I do know sometimes those big ones just come up and slurp it. I think it might have been a bedfish though, because believe it or not, I think there's still some fish kind of spawning out here because I've seen beds around here. Or at least something else is spawning and the bass are hanging around those beds, because at all these drainage pipes, from all the water coming out, it's all sort of washed out and sandy there. So it's perfect for beds. And I've been seeing some beds there, and whenever I can see them, there's always bass hanging out around them. And usually some bluegill or something. I mean, it might be bluegill beds, but I don't know why. Well, I mean, a bass would come up after that, but I think it would be more logical if it was on his actual nest. So I guess maybe it's possible that there's some beds. Holy crap, I just broke off. Maybe it's a bowfin, because when I set that hook, I felt nothing at all. Got it. Yeah! Check that out. Got back my frog. Let's see what happened. Okay, so it was not the, here. It was not the fish that did it, because, check this out. Still got about 8 inches of line on the frog, so just had a weak spot in the line. That just proves to check for weak spots in your line. That could have been massive fish I lost. I have no idea, but you know, I'll definitely be more conservative when it comes to my line. I mean, to my catching fish. So always retie, guys.